Good morning, Wilhelm. This is the morning of the procedure, and how are you feeling today?
Good morning, Dr. Schoenhaus. I'm feeling very fine. Also, thanks to your explanation of everything that I can expect, and so I'm pretty calm about it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the end result.
Here we are with Wilhelm. We are post 2 days the fat pad transfer with lipo from the abdominal region, transferring it to the heels. How are you feeling?
I feel pretty good, Dr. Schoenhaus. Yeah, I've no real complaints. I guess I underestimated maybe a little bit the fact that a liposuction is quite an operation, and that you need narcosis and everything like that. But that went very well. I have no real severe pain or something like that, and generally I'm very happy. I cannot, of course, yet know what the end result will be. Naturally, that will take a few weeks, but I'm very confident that it will be good. Yeah.
What did you feel in your heels?
Before?
Since the surgery?
Since the surgery? Only a little bit of pressure pain when I walk on the orthopedic shoes, and basically that's it. I felt once a little, how do I call that, a bit of, I forgot the word, throbbing, no? Was it that?
Sure.
Yeah, but that was only once. But if I would say on a scale from 1 to 10, the pain, only when I'm walking on it, I would say maybe 6 to 7. So it's very bearable pain, and I guess that's to be expected after a procedure like that. And it's by the way not much more pain that I had always walking, so can only be better from now on, I guess.
Good, thank you.
Hi, it's now, what is it, February, almost end of February, and actually a few weeks ago, which was like 5 months after the first procedure, I was telling my wife, hey, I hardly dare say it, but I don't feel a lot anymore in my foot. I was walking with the dog and it was going very well, and actually I didn't tell her the first day I thought that. I told her only the third day I thought that. So then I must admit I was a little bad boy, because what I did was I did some heavy weightlifting, and because I thought, oh yeah, I can do it again. So I thought that was probably not the right thing to do at that time. I should have built it up. And the second bad thing I did was I did it on my house shoes. So the house shoes are of course not very good for doing weightlifting. So I guess that's why I felt pain again a little bit later in actually both of my feet. So that's an inflammation maybe I caused myself by not being careful enough and not being patient enough. Anyway, we booked this trip to Florida again, kind of a combination as a vacation for my wife and my daughter, and I thought, let's see Dr. Schoenhaus again. And now I'm happy that, we made an MRI yesterday or the day before yesterday, and the MRI showed perfectly clear that the fat pad restoration was a great success. So that's not really a problem anymore. I have a great foot bed, basically, and I still have some inflammation from the plantar fasciitis. I hope that I pronounced that the right way. And so now Dr. Schoenhaus is going to do another procedure to help me with that. I think she probably can explain you better what that's going to be.
Stem cell amnion treatment.
Right. And I just trust her.
Hi, Dr. Schoenhaus. This is Wim in Holland. Look at my feet. It's a miracle. thanks to you. And I would have never thought that I would be able to run again. It's just incredible. And I just want to say thank you very much. Bye.